Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are good at home and fine. Now open your math book. That we start new book countdown 4. We are going to read unit number 1, that is numbers and arithmetic operations. That is about numbers and arithmetic operations. This one. Now, in the last class, we had done the page number 2 and 3. Again, I'm going to tell you what we have done. You can see on the board that the right numbers here. Now we will work with numbers up to 9 digits, that is 100, million. Let us consider the following place value chart. You can see they make a place value chart. In place value chart, you can see they write it into three words. Three. You can see here they write ones and thousands and million. Under ones, they write unit, 10 and 100. Again, unit 10, 100, then 1000. 1000 means only single thousand, 1000. And then this T shows that we have 10,000. This TH means 1000 and this T means 10,000. Now the next one is this H means 100 and this one is 1000. TH shows 1000. Now they write here million, million only 1 million, single million. They are talking about only single million, 1 million. The next one, this T shows 10, 10, and this shows M shows million. So here we are going to write 10 million, and here is the last one is 100 million. So the first value is, you can see, that is 1,000 and 100,000. So in a 100,000, how many digits we have? We have 6 digits. How many digits we have? In a 100,000, how many digits we have? 6 digit number. So in a 6-digit number, how many zeros we have? We have 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last one is 5. Now in a million, you can see how many million I have? 1 million. And in a 1 million, how many digits, numbers? You can see that right here we have 7-digit number. And if we have a 7-digit number, it means in a 1 million we have a 6 zeros on the right side. Now come to the next one, that is about 10 million. 10 million. You can see how many 10 millions are there. 10 million. So it is a 10 million, and in a 10 million, how many digit number we have? We have 8-digit numbers. And how many zeros we are having in a 10 million? We have 7 zeros. Now the last one is 100 million. In a 100 million, how many digits we have? We have 9-digit number. 10 million, sorry, 100 million. In a 100 million, we have 9-digit numbers. And how many zeros are there on the right side? There are 8 zeros. We can count it on our book. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the last one is 8. The 9th digit shows are the place value which we have given, that is 1. So how many? 100 million. This one is 100 million. Now this is clear for you, everyone. These are the same things we had done in the last class. I'm not going to repeat it again. Now in this example number 1, I'm going to read this again for you. They are saying write this value in words. Whenever we want to write the value in words, first we do what? First we have to draw a place value chart. Place value chart means that you have to write unit, 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, and 100 million. It's up to the question demand how many you have to write. So now you can easily write the number in words, as you can see how many 100 millions are there. There are 600 million. So they write first 600, and how many millions? Again, I have a millions after 100 million. So I'm not going to write first million. When I end with the millions, then I write the million here. Now 682. Here you can see I end the million. So I write million. After million, I have to write, when I end about millions, I have to write the comma. Then the turn of thousands. You can see there are 3 digits of thousands. This, and this. So first 900. How many? 100. 952,000. You can see 952,000. I end up with the thousands value, so I write a comma here. Then come to the last 3 digits. In the last 3 digits, what we have to write, you can see under 100, what they write? 6. So first I'm going to write 600, and I have no tens here. So the last one is unit is 2. So I write 602. The second is also the same example. Now come on page number 4. On page number 4, what we are going to do, comparing and ordering 8-digit numbers. Comparing and ordering 8 digits. Comparing means that we have 2 values and we are going to compare each other, that they are greater or lesser. Which one is greater or which one is lesser? So comparing means is that you are going to compare with each other, that which one is greater and which one is smaller. And in the previous class, you know what is the meaning of ordering, that you have to write digits line wise. It can be start from the smallest and it can be start from the largest. You have to write in a order. So ordering, we can also use the these 2 words that are ascending and descending. Ascending means that we have to start from the smallest and end up to the largest, and descending means that we have to start from the largest one and end to the smallest one. Now look on the book what they are saying in this one, comparing numbers in the same as known which number is smaller and which number is the bigger. Before I starting the topic, I told you that comparing, the meaning of comparing is that we do compare about values, which one is greater, means which one is bigger and which one is smaller. So they also said these things in this line. Now let us take an example of two 6-digit number. Now they are saying we are going to take an example, 2 values. We take 2 values that contain 6-digit numbers. You can see here is a value and here is also a value. These 2 values, and both are having 6-digit number. 6-digit number means 6 values, 6 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one is also 6. Now how we can compare it? To compare these numbers, follow the given steps. Whenever we do comparing, we can follow these steps. By using these steps, we can easily find where the value is greater and where the value is smaller. Now you can see, make a place value chart and write both the numbers in it. I'm going to do this one on the board by using these two values. Now look at the board. Now example of page number 4, I'm going to do that is, they were said you have two values 6, 9, 8, 7, 2 and 1, and the other value we have 6, 9, 8, again 8, 3 and 1. They give us two values, and now we have to do what? We have to do comparison. We have to do what? We have to do comparison. How we will do comparison between two values? Now we are going to follow these rules to compare each other and then find which one is greater and which one is the smaller. So the first step is make a place value chart and write both the numbers in it. We know what is the value chart. Value chart means that you have to write unit, 10, 100, after 100,000, 10,000 and 100,000. So we know from the right side of the, we always starting from the right side. I'm going to write the first value in a place value chart. This is my place value chart paper. I'm going to write the first value in it, starting from the right side. So I'm going to write 1 under the unit. So here is the 1, and how many tens we have here? 2. How many hundreds we have here? 7. How many thousands we have here? 8. And how many 10,000s are here? 9. And how many 100,000 are here? 6. So I'm going to write 6. This is the first value I write in the place value chart. Now come to the next value. In this value, I have unit 1. So under unit, I'm going to write 1. Then how many tens we have? 3, hundreds, 800s, 1,000, 8,000, and how many thousands I have? 9, and in the last I have 600,000. So I'm going to write it under it. Now, first rule of comparing two values, we have to draw a place value chart. And I've done my first step on the board. Now the second step is what you have to do. Now check the place value of each digit starting from the largest place, 100,000. Now we are going to start comparing from this side, from the right side, from the largest place value, that is 100,000. Now you can see on the board that you have 600,000 and 600,000, both are same. There is no change. Now come to the next value, that is 10,000. You can see here you have 9 and here you have 9 also. So how many, there is no difference both are same. Now I'm going to move on the next place value, that is 1,000, and again I have the same digits, so there is no change. I cannot take any decision that which one is greater and which one is the smaller. Now come to the 100 value, that is 7 and here is 8. This is 700 and this is 800. As we know that 700 is smaller than 800. So you can find the difference, where the difference comes. Now, which one is bigger? This one is bigger and this one is smaller. We see the difference, where the difference comes, and now we can take a decision easily which one is greater and which one is the smaller. So which one is the greater? 800 is the greater. So definitely our second value is the greater one as compared to the first one. Now the third step is, we done the second step. Now come to the third step. In a third step, what we have to do, we see that the numbers in hundred thousands both are same, and the 10,000, these are both are same, and only thousand, these are also same. Now, but in the hundred place, 800 is greater than 700. As we done, 800 is greater than 700. You can also write this one like this: 800 is greater than 700. Both are giving same message to us. Fine. If you remember that we have done in the previous classes, with the help of crocodile, we want to do what, that our crocodile is very hungry and we have to give him more burgers to fill his belly. So you can open his mouth towards the biggest value, and the more burgers. So you can see here we have 800. So we can open his face towards 800. And on this one, you can open his face towards 800 because 800 is greater than 700. Now come back to the point again. So we can clearly see that 7 is smaller than the 8, which makes the which makes that this value is greater than this value. Second value is greater than first value. So the answer of this one is 698,831 is greater than the 689,721. So by using these rules, we can easily find the value, that which one is greater and which one is the smaller. Now come back to the book again. We done this one. Now you can see in the previous example, they give us six digit number. Now turn off 8-digit number. Same rules, हमारे पास जितनी मर्जी digits ज़्यादा हो जाएं, we can use these rules, and by using these rules, we can easily find which one is greater and which one is the smallest. So from the right side, from the left side, you can see the place in the place value chart. It is a 10 million. Both are same. Million, 6 same. 100,000, 2 both are same. Now come to the 10,000. These are this is 5 and this one is 7. So it shows that it is a 70,000 and it is a 50,000. As we know that 70 is greater than the 50. So which one is the greater? Of course, the second value is greater than the first one. You can see 70,000 is greater than 50,000. Now clearly you can see, therefore, you can see here is the 70 and here we have a 50,000. So which one is the greater? It is a 51. I think it's a mistake, misprinting. This is a 51. So here you have 70,000 and here we have a 50,000. So which one is the greater? Of course, 70 is the greater. So crocodile opens its face towards the 70. Now they write the this value. They place the changes their places, and if they changes their places, of course, we also change the sign because 70 is greater. So we are going to open the crocodile face towards the 70. Now come to the exercise. This is your exercise on page number 6. Now what you have to do question number 3 and question number 4. This is your homework. I'm going to diary for you on the board. Write your diaries first, everyone. Your homework is do question number 3 and 4 on your book. On your book, question number 3 and 4 on your book. That is on page number on page number 6. This is your diary. Write your diaries first, everyone. Then we are going to do conversation with each other.